told you that I was going to be coming back and we were going to pot my lemon plant from this first container that it's been living in for almost a year, because I planted this in 3/25/21, and this is the year 2022. So I'm going to pot it into this pot, from this little pot to this pot. A year here, now it's going to go into its new home. So let's check it out. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to be really gentle, because this is the first time this plant has ever been outside, because I grew this lemon little plant from seed that I got out of a lemon that I was using to make some lemonade. So it's never been outside, so I'm hoping that it won't get traumatized. So here we go. Look at the stem of that. I'll show you. See, let's see what the roots look like first. Just be gentle, because this is my baby and I don't want to be too harsh with it. So I'm putting my fingers on the stem, so if it comes out, it'll come out of my hands. These roots are really in here. Here we go. Look at the roots of this one. Look at this. Good root system. So I'm just going to make a well in the side of this container. Shake some of this dirt off. With a little small thing. And we are going to put it in there. I'm going to push it down a little bit. And then we're just going to put some dirt around it. And I'm putting this Miracle Grow dirt, soil around it. And I'm going to put this back in my windowsill. What do you guys think? Should I leave this out this summer and let it get a little taste of being out in the nature's element, or should I put it back on the windowsill? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should do. Let me get a little bit more dirt for this plant. There we go. Let's add a little bit more soil around here. And I'm going to water it in. Then we're going to put our little sign back in there to show that the date I planted it and how it planted. So hang tough. Okay, so let's put a little water in there so it can put a nice little drink. And then I'll let it stay out here and get a little taste of the outside life, and then we'll take it from there. But these leaves look really good. I just don't want any of the bugs and gnats and stuff to get a hold of this plant, you know, because you know what that'll do. Get a hold of it, and then that'll be all she wrote. I'm looking under the leaves to make sure that they're okay and there's no bug problems or any of that kind of stuff. But the underside of the leaves look pretty good, just in the dirt that I got on it when I was transplanting it. It looks good. Alright guys, so now my lemon little plant is on its next journey of growing in a bigger pot. Look at that. That is so cool to me that you can grow something from seed. Because when I first put the lemon seed in the dirt, I didn't have any high expectations of how it would do. But it seems when it started growing, I was like, maybe my little lemon tree will have a chance. And as you guys have been on this journey with me, a year in, it has done great. So thanks for all the encouraging words you guys sent me to keep me inspired to keep on growing my little lemon tree, because maybe one day Miss Renee will actually maybe get a lemon off of this lemon tree. Wouldn't that be something? Alright guys, so it is in its new home. I'm excited about it. So off to my next thing I have to do, and that is what? I'm looking now at my green onion tops. It looks like they need another haircut. So I've made so many videos on making that lemon powder, so I will not bore you guys with another video. So alright guys, I hope you're outside doing something special. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are doing today. What special things are you guys up to? Alright, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Good job, lemon plant. Keep doing what you're doing, because the gardening community is behind you. Woohoo! I know I am. Alright guys, take care.